Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial. Okay. Here I will show you how to configure the Spring Dependency Injection in a Java class. So the fundamental functionality provided by the Spring container is Dependency Injection. The Spring provides a lightweight container for this, and that is a Spring code container for Dependency Injection. So previously known as inversion of control. The main beauty is the Spring is responsible for creating the object and giving to you. It's totally blocking you to use new operator on a class. That means you're not calling a constructor here. So let's see an example. I'll create a project, Java project, and we'll name it as Spring. And I'll add some Spring Java files to get the framework. So let me add all these jar files. You need spring.jar, log4j, dom4j, common logins, and lr.jar. Okay. Let me add this to this application. The first step, I'll create a class. Let me say it's a user class. So I will create a dependency injection of this class with a Spring framework. So let me create a method here, a public method. And now let's create a main class, and I will import the two classes so I can read the configuration files. So let me take application context class will read the configuration file using through class path XML context, and you need to pass the spring.xml here. Now let's create the XML file. XML file. This is the Spring XML file. Okay. And the same file name should be passed here, so that we have Spring XML file. And for the Spring XML file, I'll copy paste this. Okay. Now, which class I'm going to ask the Spring framework to create object? So this is the user Java class, and this is the ID. So this is the ID I'm going to get here. So user then you need to pass the ID here. Alright. Now I'm going to call the method on this object, create user, and under create user I'll put system out of println. I'll say user created. Now the main program. I'm just reading the XML file, the Spring configuration file, and on that I try to get the bean. After reading the XML file, I'll identify the objects and try to get the get bean method on that, and pass the ID. ID is nothing but the bean ID of that class user. So we have things set. Now we need to run this program. And that's how the method is invoked. Here we have not invoked any operator for this user class from the main. So dependency is through Spring. There is no constructor dependency. There is only Spring dependency. That's the injection we have used. Thank you. Thank you for listening to the tutorial.